Hello, hello, it's me, Jimakora. Guys, this is how it looks like after the heavy rain just now. It is so heavy rain, but now just few minutes only it become like this already. Guys, I'm here in Miami, Batu Feringhi, where normally you can see a lot of picnics, family going here to have their picnic. And but now you see, sun come out. See that? Oh, it's so beautiful. Look at people are doing kissing. And then look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Yeah. See? Just now only so heavy rain. But look at the sky now. Oh. Sometimes it's unpredictable, the weather. You can have a good weather. You can have a rain or shine. So I didn't bring my stick, so I'm just holding it only. So guys, look, it's so pretty, very pretty. So I seldom to go, you know, just to see all this. But now look, all the birds. I mean the pigeon. There's people doing the picnic there. Wow. So guys, sometimes it's so nice to come here just to take photo. Look at the view. This is very famous for all the family who do picnic. They come here, the children go to swim, then at the same time the family share together with their lunch because they pack their lunch. So what a beautiful family having lunch is on the beach. So normally Saturday is very full here and Sunday, but this time because it was heavy rain just now, so I think they canceled their picnic. So guys, look, now it's very hot. Oh my goodness. If you can see every Saturday here, this is full, a lot of family here. Wow, the water, look, the water is so calm. But this morning is really bad. I was in the bus when the rain started. Wow, so many people. Oh, look at the birds. Wow, they're coming after me. Oh, they will chase over there, so they come here. Look, isn't it beautiful? Sometimes I wonder what a beautiful creation. See the sea, see the land, you see the trees, plants, and you just see up all the transport. Look at that, beautiful. I'm sure a lot of people knows Batu Feringhi Beach because this is very famous. Yeah, because it is very nice and very popular. And important thing, this is free. When you need a toilet, they have a public toilet there, but I think you have to pay 50 cents. But it's good. You can after swim you can have a shower there and use the water. So it is good, especially if you are not staying around here. It's good. You clean yourself before you go back. So you know guys, this rock here, it's been a long time here. Very, very nice rock. I remember my dad, when I bring my dad here and he's sitting on that tree. Oh, suddenly I miss my dad because of this place. Because I bring them here to see the beautiful beach. Look at that. Even further up is so nice. So you see, all the motorists, they have to stop here and then take photo. Look at them. They enjoy. And then on the other side is a lot of food that you can buy, like laksa, you know, chendol. They're all selling the kind of food. So a lot of soft drinks, soda here. So guys, I hope you like this video. Look at the birds in the sky. All these birds. Look. Wow, I hope they won't shit. After they shit, drop on my head. Oh, look at that. So happy. You know, all these birds, they are just like the lily in the valleys. They feed themselves. Nobody feed them, but they can survive. You see them? A lot. They're all staying in the tree. Look at them. If you zoom it, oh, a lot of them. You see? Wow. Very, very good life for the birds. Look at the motorists. They're having a break. Maybe they are not from here. So guys, keep on watching my video. Look at that. Oh, look at the birds there. Sometimes you can see a squirrel on the wire. Everywhere got bird. Look at that. Okay guys, this is taken after the heavy rain this afternoon. It was suddenly windy and a strong rain, but it's only just short while, maybe 30 minutes, and then back to very hot. What a weather. Climate change. I don't know if it is climate change. So wow, now the sky is so beautiful. Okay guys, it's me, Jima Cora. Don't forget, like and share. Bye. Share and subscribe. Also comment down below. Bye. It's me, Jima Cora. Bye.